Thank you for visiting Marine Sanitation. My name is Tucker and I'm here to tell you about the heart of a VacuFlush system, the vacuum generator. There are a variety of different vacuum generators out there over time from the various VacuFlush systems. The most common though you see here in front of me. We will start with the 7291 accumulator tank. This is kind of the original VacuFlush setup. This tank can be mounted horizontally like so. It can also be mounted vertically, as long as the vacuum switch is up at the top, and it also could be suspended from the ceiling if necessary to accommodate your most versatile installations. The 7291 tank would also need to have an S pump with it. The S pump is the true heart of the system, and the fact that it's the part that's pulling the waste from the accumulator tanks that's been flushed in from the toilet and pushed into the holding tank. And once all that liquid and waste is gone, it then builds up a vacuum cumulatively to about 10 inches of mercury vacuum. And that's what's there for you on the next flush. The most common generator today is here, and it is known as the VG4 or JW vacuum generator. It is an all-in-one unit, and again, still has that same style kind of bellows pump on the top. The rectangular box here underneath is the accumulator tank. So everything's coming into the tank from the toilet here. It's being pulled up into the pump from below and then pushed out into your holding tank from the pump. Again, it builds up to about 10 inches of mercury, utilizing vacuum switches. All the systems have them, and that's what is actually turning the pump off when it reaches vacuum. The third common generator utilized today is the VG3 or low profile vacuum generator. It's commonly found with what is known as VacuFlush holding tank systems, in which you could have a holding tank and the vacuum generator mounted on top of it. It is desired though because its overall height is only about 9 inches. Also very common in some of your newer RVs. Again, it has a rectangular accumulator tank with the vacuum switch. Things are brought into the system via the elbow here and then drawn out through the pump into your holding tank. And then again, the air is pumped out to create the vacuum for the next flush. Parts for these generators and these generators themselves can be found by calling us or visiting marinesam.com. Thank you.